What to bring on a road trip to keep you entertained. Today, we are going to talk about some things that you need to bring in a road trip to keep you entertained. So, we are going to talk about some things. The first one is National Park Pass. This Park Pass allows you to access every single national parks in the whole United States. So, you can go to any national park whenever and wherever you want. You need to have that as well. You can have a GoPro, just you can document and enjoy with it. You can have bathing suits and hiking boots, just if just in case if you want to hike and stuff. Road trip playlist, listen to music, programmable LED lights, which means you can mess around with the passing cars, frisbee or soccer ball. You can play it if you go to an international park. You can bring the license plate games, bubble maker. These are the fun things that you can do. You can take the headphones if you want to listen to music, route atlas, road atlas, mobile inflatable mattress, which means these are the mattress that can fit in your car trunk and can give you a good comfort. Cup holder tray, so just to be more comfortable holding a cup. LED flashlights, just take the LED flashlight for the night purpose, just in case. Wi-Fi hotspots, audiobooks, travel journals. Now these, and also fun stacks and camping accessories. Now these are the things that you can take and you won't get bored. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can take. Hope you guys find this video helpful.